Okay, I'm going to do another Cool Glide video, and what we have is commercial carpet that's glued down, and it's got this cut right here. I don't know what happened. It looked like somebody hacked it in, but it's coming apart. So I'm going to try the Cool Glide on here. What I'm going to do is, I got my double stick tape, but I cut it. I have one piece that it's going to take, but I cut it in half to make it easier to go in. And so I'm going to peel off my back here, slide it in, and then get half of it in there. And this double stick tape on the back here gets aggressive when you heat it up. Doing this so I can stick my double stick tape on there. Now when I put my Cool Glide on, it's going to melt all this down and hold it down. What I want to do is I'm going to put some latex on here. I'm using the Fast Lock by Orcon. And this piece I got to keep back there. I'm going to go ahead and put my glue. Latex on there. And work it together just like it's a seam. It's going to help it bond together at the top. This glue dries clear. That's a good thing. These repairs aren't bad because it's more of a safety issue here. It's at a school district, so it's not so much a cosmetic thing. So normally I would put glue underneath it and then do the same thing I'm doing now, and then I'd have to put a weight on it, but over time it could come up with carpet cleaning and stuff. So there's my glue. Just work it together. It says it was a seam. I want to get that transfer from the edge to the edge. And later I can trim that. So now I can start my seam right here. And what I'm going to do here is once I heat that up, I'm going to push that into the fiber there, and then I'm going to trim it off. So I'll start my iron back here. I got it on high. I want to get a nice good melt in there. Okay, so there's my first shot there. Okay, I want to go ahead and tractor that out, put a little bit of weight on it. I'm going to give this another shot right here, this side. See how there's a little bit of glue there? That'll dry clear. I really want to push on this because I'm pushing the carpet up into the glue. This is the glue right here, see? And then I'm also pushing it onto the concrete with the double stick tape. Yeah. So my next one's going to be right here. Put it there. Shot. See how I'm marking where I left off because of the arrows. Now that it's off there, I'm going to move this over. I'm going to set it. I'm going to use this to roll over so I don't get glue on my tractor. And then right here, I'll probably hit that again later so I can get more glue in there. But right here, I got some little bit of glue in there where I'm pushing the fibers in there like that. See that? Just doing this to protect my tractor from the glue. And that's my leftover right there. I'll end up heating that again. I'll push it in and I can put some latex on it and trim it off. It's just a bad snag there. Do that one more time there. I just got to hit it a couple times because it'll be like the temperature in the room, or I don't know. It's not going to hurt anything though. Okay. If you have like carpet over pad, sometimes it burns the pad, but in this case, there's really nothing to burn. Working in there like that. You'll see right now when I trim it off, it's gonna, whatever's in the glue will stay. See how flat it is? That's that little bit of glue right there you see, but that's gonna be covered up later. So I left off about right here. And I'm gonna go back there again. Saw what it looked like before. And the Kool Glide's not just for carpet over pad, it's for all kinds of things. And this is just something I thought of. I mean, I've never used it like this before. I bought this tool a few months ago, and I've been using it for all kinds of stuff. I'm just putting this here so that when I tractor this, the glue doesn't get all over my tractor. It gets up in there and then it makes it nasty. Use a piece of cardboard or something too. There's no glue coming out anymore, so I'm just gonna do the sides of it. Few more feet to go here. Let's see, I got this right here, and then I'll go back the other way. So I got a little bit to do right there, but I'm going to do this side first, then I can come back to that side, since that side's a little bit wet. But see, that's the only bad part right there, but I'm going to show you how I'll fix that in a minute. See, it just went off, but I'm going to hit it again for a few seconds just to give it a little bit more. I want it to get nice and hot. Okay, so I'll take that off of there. I'm going to push this down with my 5-in-1 because right here it's a little bit higher. Alright, not much glue coming out here, so I'm just going to tractor it. See that? All that right there will dry clear. Can't even tell. Hit it one more time right here. I'll trim that off and we'll work on that a little bit. There's a channel called Kool, and if you look at the Kool channel on my page, you'll see all the different videos I have. Alright, so that's that. Give it one more shot right here so I can get that working a little bit better. So now you have the carpet that's stuck to the glue, and then the bottom of it's got the double stick tape, and then the top is sealed, so it's never going to come apart. In fact, one day when someone tears this apart, they're gonna say, "Who the heck did this?" It's going to be stuck down, and everything else is going to be coming apart. So now I'll trim that off. Trim off whatever's there. Whatever's stuck in there will stay. See how there's a little bit of a gap there. What I'll do is I'll take my fibers and I'll cut them up in small pieces. Seam here a little bit. And then I can put a little bit of glue in there wherever there's a void. Make sure I cut out all the loose pieces first. A little bit of a void there, a little bit of a void there. And just pushing it together will give it a bond, and then I can put these little pieces in there, okay? Little fibers in there. Cut off the excess. And then once it dries, over time, what will happen is whatever's not attached will just come, it'll kind of fall out. But all the stuff that's in there with the glue will stay, you know. So, kinda, they'll come and vacuum these rooms at the end of the summer. That's it's all got latex in there, so whatever's in there, the latex will eventually grab. This stuff dries clear, so that's it.